over here you can see that I have multiple layers and you can individually edit them out. But sometimes what you may want to do is you want to merge them all out. And in that case, what you can do is you can hold Shift on your keyboard, select out the first layer and the last layer, and select out the layers that you want to merge together. And you can right click and simply merge them out together by clicking on Merge Shapes right here. So once you do that, you can see that it turns into a single layer right here, just like this. So let me just go around and press check mark and you can see that it's a single layer. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, just like this, and get back the multiple layers. You can also hold Ctrl on your keyboard to select out the layers that you want to merge, and then right click to go around and merge the shapes together as well, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z again, and now let's see what I want to do is I'm going to hide these elements out. And what you can do is you can right click and merge visible as well. So once you do that, what happens is that all of the visible layers, including the background, has been merged, but the ones that are hidden right here are still remaining as it is, as you can see. So I can go around and merge out the layers in that way as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z over here to show you other option to merge as well. So another thing is you can right click over here, and here you can see flatten image is an option which flattens out everything right here onto one single layer. Let me just go around and hide, and let's see what happens when I flatten out the image by using this. So if I were to go around and click, then what happens is that it says discard hidden layers. It discards out the hidden layers right here and flattens it out as if the hidden layers were never there. And that is how you can go around and use the merge layers option, as you can see. You can also access the merge layer option from the layer menu right here. And here you can use the merge down option as well. So let's just go around, select this, and go around over here onto layer, and you can see that there's merge down, merge visible, and flatten image over here. All of the options are available over there as well. So that is how you can go around and then use the merge layer options inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.